Hi everyone, this is Shami, and this year I had the pleasure of working with Avery, who's an 8th grader. And Avery is quite a delight to work with because of how organized she has been throughout this program. She's quite an artist, so you should watch out for the special artwork that is there in her project. And she loves and cares about the environment. So she wanted to build a website to share with everyone on how to help the environment. So I hand it over to Avery now to showcase her project.
Hi, my name's Avery and I'm an 8th grader at Castilleja. My mentor's name is Shami. She works at Nissan Corporation. She lives in the Bay Area and she enjoys to cook. My project was to make a basic website to raise awareness on climate change. The website is called Solve Climate Change. I had never really thought about coding a website much because it sounded very challenging and I didn't have a lot of experience with coding. I learned how to use HTML and CSS using Sublime. I also learned how to use JavaScript for a slides aspect, and we got to finish the whole website, which included all 3 pages, each with different content. So some highlights were that I really liked designing the colors and the build of the website, which was using CSS. And I like to incorporate the art into my website because I really enjoy drawing. Some challenges were that the CSS files didn't load for a while in the beginning, which led to a lot of debugging because we weren't sure what was exactly wrong. I also had to learn inline CSS. And the problem with the CSS files not loading was that none of what I coded was showing up on the actual website. Some lessons that I learned was that you need to put all the files in one folder on your desktop or else it will not load. Yeah, I also learned the basic language of coding and I understood a lot more than before I started. Here is my demo. So this is the home page. And this is the slides presentation with all the pictures about climate change. The second page is about more information, and each of the pictures are links to different websites that give you a lot of facts about climate change as well. And the third page is the how you can help page. And this is how I incorporated my art, is because I made short comic chapters about climate change and basically what you can do. And so that's Peach, an imaginary character I made up. And she has a pet hummingbird named Lola. And yeah, I hand drew all these with online, so I just could upload them into the website. So yeah, they're pretty short and the drawings are not very professional, but it was super fun to draw all 6 chapters. And yeah. Thank you.